Sometimes the right hairstyle can literally change your whole look. Like, suddenly your school uniform looks cuter, your selfies look better, and even hanging out with your friends feels more aesthetic. And honestly, it doesn't matter if your hair is short, medium, or long. These hairstyles can make anyone look extra cute. So if you're tired of doing the same hairstyle every morning, these hairstyles are about to become your new obsession. Now let's dive into the hairstyles. High ponytail. The high ponytail is literally that hairstyle. Simple, clean, pretty, and somehow it always makes you look more confident. It's perfect for school mornings when you want something quick. 3-in-1 braid. This hairstyle looks way harder than it actually is. Make 3 usual braids first, then combine those 3 braids into one big braid. Braided twin ponytail. Braided short hair. Short hair can look just as cute with braids. Even tiny front braids completely change the hairstyle and make it look more stylish. Simple details really make a huge difference. One side braid. Take all your hair to one side and make a simple braid. It's soft, pretty, and one of those hairstyles that looks effortless without trying too hard. And somehow this hairstyle always gives super elegant and Pinteresty vibes. Ribbon hairstyle. Korean high bun. Space buns. Partition your hair into 2 sections, then fold each side into a bun and tie it with a rubber band. This hairstyle looks playful, cute, and super trendy at the same time. It instantly gives fun main character vibes. Bubble braid. Bow hairstyle. Make 2 small half ponytails on both sides, then join them together and add a bow. This hairstyle looks super cute, soft, and feminine instantly. Running late hairstyle. If you're running late for school, this hairstyle will seriously save your life. And somehow it still looks super cute and effortless. Neat hair down. Straight brushed hair with a middle part instantly gives clean and elegant vibes. And adding stylish small braids on the upper part of your hair makes the hairstyle look even more pretty and detailed. Claw clip hairstyle. Butterfly claw clip. Hair down high ponytail. And those were 15 cute hairstyles that can seriously make school mornings feel way more fun. Sometimes changing your hairstyle changes your whole mood, confidence, and vibe. Comment which hairstyle was your favorite, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more aesthetic videos.